Hey guys, welcome to day 5 for the Vlogmas series, or for Vlogmas here on my YouTube channel. So today is episode 2 of my top 5 favorite beauty products. So we're going to be talking all about exfoliators. So some of these, maybe 3 products, are actually body exfoliators because I don't have a lot of favorite face exfoliators. I have like 2. So let's get into it. So this number for the 5th spot I have is the Tree Hut exfoliator. I loved the Tree Hut exfoliators. They're amazing. I love the scents that they have. I think the last one I got was like coconut something. It was so nice. It really makes the skin feel really soft, and I really do enjoy it. So 2 other body exfoliators that I wanted to share are from Osea. So this one is the Osea Salts of the Earth Body Scrub. This is the number 4 spot. I really do enjoy this one. And then in number 3, we have the Osea Andaria Cleansing Body Polish. I use this one more for like my pedicures. I think I prefer it for pedicures rather than my I mean, I do sometimes use it on my body, but other times I just use it on my feet and my legs. Okay, in the number 2 spot, I have the Jafra exfoliator. I recently used it all up, but it looks like poppy seed cookies. So nice. I don't remember the name of it, but I will link it down below. It was such a great cleanser or exfoliator. Okay, so I actually did forget. One item while I'm editing this video. I just realized. So in number 1 spot for my favorite exfoliators is actually a liquid exfoliator that I use for like prepping my skin. It's like probably the best one or the only one I have tried, and I definitely did get influenced by this product because I was just looking for like skincare products for my type of skin. So I have oily skin, and when I was looking around, I saw Nikki Rose did a video on oily skin, and she mentioned this product. This is the Neturum BHA liquid exfoliant, and I am almost out of it. It's my favorite one, and this is my 2nd bottle. I definitely do need to get more of it because I love it. I do also want to try the Polish Choice one. I think next time I go to Sephora, I am going to get that one as well. Yeah, so that was all of my top 5 favorite exfoliators. See you guys tomorrow for day 6. Bye!